If you've been sitting at a desk all day or your body's just feeling tense, then this video is going to be perfect for you. I have a 5-minute quick stretch. Everything can be done from the seated position on the floor. So grab a mat or a comfy spot on your floor and let's get going. Reach those hands up to the sky, bring them back down together and down to your chest. 2 more times. Now draw a circle with your nose and do some neck circles. Change direction. Loosen up those shoulders with some shoulder rolls. Switch direction. All right, now place your left hand next to you on the mat and reach the right arm up nice and tall. Keep that chest open and gaze out at your fingertips. Other side. Both arms back and open up that chest. Make sure to breathe. Give yourself a big hug. Switch which arm is up on top. Now 2 more hugs. You deserve a little self-love today. Left hand on the mat again and reach up high, nice and tall. Remember to keep your chest open. Other side. Turn to your left. Place that left hand on the ground behind your bum and your right arm on top of your left outer knee. Stay nice and tall and then twist. Release your left hand and bring it over top. Place your left hand on the outer part of your left knee and really feel that stretch in the back of your neck and upper back. Reverse and now place your right hand on the ground behind you and your left hand on your outer right knee. Release and swoop that right arm above. Cross and feel that upper back stretch again. Release. Bring your feet together into cobbler's pose. On the exhale, bring your stomach towards your feet. Big stretch here. One more time. Bring your left leg out and reach for those toes. Remember to breathe. Up and back down. And switch. Right leg out and reach. Up and back down. Wiggle it out and have a wonderful rest of your day.